guys, welcome to Madhu's culinary classes. Today's recipe is yummy and super tasty tender coconut pudding. Let's get started. Things required are tender coconut pulp 250 grams, milk 1 cup, sugar 3 teaspoons, gelatin 2 teaspoons, coconut water 2 cups. Now in a vessel add 1.5 cup of tender coconut water. Give it a slight boil. Then pour the water into the bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of gelatin. Mix it well to avoid lumps. To mixture, add tender coconut pulp, and half cup of tender coconut water. Grind it well. In a pan, take 1 cup of milk, and give it a slight boil. At this stage, we are adding 1/4 cup of sugar. Stir it well until the sugar dissolves. Now we are adding the grinded mixture. Stir it well. Give it a boil. Switch off the stove and add the prepared gelatin mixture. And mix it well. Pour it into the container and refrigerate it for about 3 hours. Here our yummy and delicious tender coconut pudding is ready to serve. Watch the next video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also comment down below your favorite dessert. Bye!